Welcome everyone to my new tutorial. Now I'm going to show you a voltage dropper with diodes. That's a diode application. So when a current passes through a diode, there is a voltage drop across it. About 0.6 volts for a silicon diode, PN junction diode. Germanium diodes have a 0.2 volts. Schottky diodes have 0.4, but all of these values are various depending on the specific diode used. Okay, so we now go to here to our library, and I'm gonna take 18914 diode, 1 and 194 diode. So this is a high conductance ultra fast switching diode. It has a working inverse voltage of 75 volts. Okay, now I'm gonna take one resistor. Okay, here we have one, and I'm gonna take a lamp. I'm just gonna show you something else, but lamp isn't important here in the first part, but you will see some cool things. I don't know. Okay, so let's say we put three diodes in series like this. Okay, I'm gonna need room for this part. Okay, like here. Okay, let's put a DC generator around here. Okay, this should now connect all this. I forgot the ground. Now connect all these components together, like so. So here, here. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. Now here, let's put 5 volt DC power supply. Now let's go here and take, I don't know, put a lot. I'll put a lot of voltmeters so we can measure something. So let me just run the program. But first I'm gonna simulate the current. Sorry, animate the current. Okay, it's already on. So all of these diodes are gonna have a same voltage drop. So I'm just gonna connect this. I'm just gonna connect this here. I'm just gonna because they are all the same, and when they are in series, they are all gonna have the same voltage drop. Okay, now you'll see it. Okay, no problem. So when I run the program, as you can see that all of these diodes have a 0.61 volt voltage droppage. So now, but here is the fun part. In reference to the ground, it will have a slightly other voltage across here and the ground with in between this and I'm just gonna show you. So let me just show one more thing. So if I now they're all had 0.6 volts. So for example, if I measure here the voltage in reference with the ground, it will be about 4.39 volts between this and this difference potential. So when I run the program, run the simulate the electrical schematic circuit, you'll see that here we have a 0.39 volts, because here we have 5 volts minus this 0.61. Here we have on therefore we have 4.39 volts potential. Here on the ground we have 0 volts. The voltage is this minus this, and that's 4.39 volts. If I put a current here, a voltmeter here, okay, and so I put it right here. If I measure the voltage between this node and the ground, you will see that here we have 3.79 volts, which is 0.61 volts less than this one. So that is a voltage dropper. Now you can connect a resistor here or a lamp. Now I'm gonna connect a lamp, and you will see that here you have a brighter lamp than here. So 1 second. Now here you have 4.4 volts output. Here you have 3.8 volts output, and here you would have 3.18 volts. Let's see if I think that, yeah, I think here you would have 3.8 volts, 3.18 volts, yeah. So here you have a 3.18 volts. So I said I took a lamp, so here was the lamp, but this lamp has 12 volts. I have 12 volt voltage. I mean, it works properly on 12 volts, but in real life that's the case. But that's the nominal voltage, yes. But I'm gonna change it, for example, to 4.2 volts. Now, if I connect uh, this lamp here, where if I connect it here in reference with the ground, for example, like so, and when I connect it here, now you will see that the lamp is gonna shine really good, because it's on. Now there is an internal resistance, so here we have a resistor droppage here, but so it's not 4.4 volts, but it's little less. So yeah, it works still. Okay, so because we have a resistance or here of 240 ohms, so it isn't, so it drops the voltage levels here a little bit. Okay, but if I want to, let me just undo what I did right now. If I want to connect the lamp over here between this, where there was a 3.8 voltage approximately, yeah, here and here, you will see that the lamp will not glow as well. It did glow good over here. So when I connect it, you see here this is a little more yellow light, and we have here a white light. In the Proteus, if you have a pure white light, it glows very well, very good. But if you have a little bit yellow, it doesn't glow the maximum. It doesn't emit light in its maximum value. So now we have here 4.13. Then we have the voltage drops on this diode 0.87, and here we have 0.60. So it varies a little bit with various type of lamps with a internal resistance and so on, but the main part X is the same. So not to worry about. Here we also still have here 0.6. We have a little bit uh, larger voltage dropout. Okay, so that's kind of it isn't a good application. This isn't a good application, but it shows you that I think it shows you something about these diodes. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this uh, tutorial, and see you in my next video. Bye.